She's at work. She's on time. She's not late. She's a receptionist. She's answering the phone. She's checking emails. She's a receptionist. R, e, re, s, res, e, rece, p, recep, sh, recepsh, a, reception, reception, I, receptioni, s, receptionist, t, receptionist. She's a receptionist. Repeat. Very good. He's answering the phone. Action, answer. Continuous, answering the phone. He's answering the phone. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Is she a receptionist?
Yes, she is a receptionist.
Is she a receptionist? Respond. Very good. What is she doing?
She's answering the phone.
Very good. Is she answering the phone? Respond. Very good. She's checking emails. Pronunciation. Ch, e, che, k, check. Action, check. Continuous. E, checky. Checking. She's checking emails. Emails. E, im, a, email, o, email. Z, emails. One email, two emails. She's checking emails. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Is she a receptionist?
Yes, she is a receptionist.
Is she answering the phone?
Yes, she's answering the phone.
Very good. Is she a receptionist? Respond. Is she answering the phone? Respond. Very good. Is she checking emails too?
Yes, she's checking emails too.
Very good. Is she checking emails too? Respond. Very good. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. He is not at work. He is going to work. He is not at work. It's not good. He is late. He is working. He is at work. He is on time. Let's practice. Is he at work?
No, he's not at work.
Very good. Is he going to work?
Yes, he's going to work.
Very good. Is he at work? Respond. Is he going to work? Respond. Very good. Is he late?
Yes, he's late.
Very good. Is he late? Respond. Very good. Where is he?
He's at work.
Very good. Is he working?
Yes, he's working.
Very good. Where is he? Respond. Is he working? Respond. Very good. Is he late or on time?
He is on time.
Very good. Is he late or on time? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Where is she?
She's at work.
Very good. Is she late?
No, she's not late.
Very good. Is she on time?
Yes, she's on time.
Very good. Where is she? Respond. Is she late? Respond. Very good. Is she on time? Respond. Very good. Is she a receptionist?
Yes, she's a receptionist.
Very good. Is she answering the phone?
Yes, she's answering the phone.
Very good. Is she a receptionist? Respond. Is she answering the phone? Respond. Very good. Is she checking emails too?
Yes, she's checking emails too.
Very good. Is she checking emails too? Respond. Very good. She's going out for a drink. She's going out with her coworkers. They're going to the restaurant at 5:30. It's a restaurant. Pronunciation. Re, s, rest, rest, rester, restaurant, restaurant, restaurant. Pronunciation with a restaurant or restaurant. It's a restaurant. Repeat, restaurant. Very good. Let's practice. Are they having dinner?
Yes, they're having dinner.
Very good. Where are they having dinner?
They're having dinner at the restaurant.
Very good. Are they having dinner? Respond. Where are they having dinner? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Where are they going?
They're going to the restaurant.
Very good. Where are they going? Respond. Very good. Are they excited?
Yes, they're excited.
Very good. Are they excited? Respond. Very good. Why are they excited?
They're excited because they're going to the restaurant.
Very good. Why are they excited? Respond. Very good. Going out for a drink. They are going out for a drink. Expression for a drink. 1. Pronunciation. Der, or jur, dree, drink, drink. Going out for a drink. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Are they going out for a drink?
Yes, they're going out for a drink.
Very good. Are they going out for a drink? Respond. Very good. They are co-workers. They work together. She is a co-worker. Co, co, co-work, co-work, co-worker, co-workers. She is a co-worker. They are co-workers. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Are they co-workers?
Yes, they're co-workers.
Very good. Are they co-workers? Respond. Very good. Are they working?
Yes, they're working.
Very good. Are they working? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Are they co-workers?
Yes, they're co-workers.
Are they going out for a drink?
Yes, they're going out for a drink.
Are they co-workers? Respond. Are they going out for a drink? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Are they co-workers?
Yes, they're co-workers.
Are they having coffee?
Yes, they're having coffee.
Very good. Are they co-workers? Respond. Are they having coffee? Respond. Very good. Are they having fun at the restaurant?
Yes, they're having fun at the restaurant.
Very good. Are they having fun at the restaurant? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. Is she going out for a drink?
Yes, she's going out for a drink.
Very good. Is she going out for a drink? Respond. Very good. Is she going out with the co-workers?
Yes, she's going out with the co-workers.
Very good. Is she going out with the co-workers? Respond. Very good. Are they going to the restaurant at 5:30?
Yes, they're going to the restaurant at 5:30.
Very good. Are they going to the restaurant at 5:30? Respond. Very good.